splashdown. Crew 9, back on Earth.
And SpaceX Freedom, splashdown. Good main release.
Copy, splashdown. We see main chutes cut. Nick, Alex, Butch, Sunny, on behalf of SpaceX, welcome home.
Next crew member here is none other than Sunita Williams. Big smile, big waves. She, like her other crew members, now will be assisted onto the mobility aid.
There you have it, some waves, some thumbs up, and some smiles.
Definitely seems to be a theme among all recovery operations.
Slid down the little ramp,
And that is NASA astronaut Nick Hay, commander of Crew 9.
Mobility aid.
Now
Again,
out of
big
Crew
smile.
Dragon Freedom. Some
Once again, some
There we have it, some waves, some thumbs up, and
big waves down the little ramp.